Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 Vlogs.
Australia to the rainforests of the tropics and the crocodile-infested mountains of the far north land. Australia is home to some of the world's most iconic, unique, endangered, and dangerous animals.
This is an extensive walk tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us.
Are you ready?
Hello, bubbles. They can also swim too. Parang ano? Skunk? Is it like a skunk? Tree kangaroo. Or a porcupine? Where's the kangaroo? Where's the kangaroo? Naiinita yung kangaroo. My name is Cobb. I'm 6 years old and love to eat banana and boiled egg. How are you? Maraming species. Come on. Your name is Coffee.
I know.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.
What's in this snake? Oh my god. Look at that.
The snake is there.
Wow, tiger snake.
Yeah.
Skydiving. That's a snake different.
See, it has many.
Look, here. Snakes here.
Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.
I'm sure I need that. This is as many devils. Let's see if we can see it this time. Where is it? It ran away.
Might be hiding there. We can't see it.
Where's Tony going?
That's where it is. For the kids to go there to them.
Blue tongue lizard, yeah. Where is it?
Please do watch our other Sydney, Australia playlist.
Whoa! Look at that snake. These snakes are big. So look how big these snakes.
Snake or a mala? The snake is up. You can look up.
Yeah, that's a snake.
That's my favorite. I don't
Magtatago sila.
What?
We were having there, but it's not. Honey. Leafings. Where's Chuck? He's there. Wow.
Because they had a war against it.
Where is that?
And this ancient man had walked from Denmark.
The sides of it. Look, there's one over there. Dad, you're looking at one right there. To your right. To your right.
Oh my gosh, this is your nose.
Dad.
Yeah, that's where I remember it came from.
Ito oh.
Have you been to Sydney, Australia? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below.
Freshwater crocodiles in the wild, as they may not be endangered, their status is currently of police habitat. Our crocodiles here at Wildlife Producers Crocodile Billabong are part of an ambassador program to spread awareness about the species and how it can be saved.
Mia! Where's Mia? Nasa ilalim na. They're hiding. Yeah, they're like
May platypus na to. Ayun, no?
Ayun! Oh, ayun, that's the one?
Hindi, platypus ano yung ilong. Platypat.
Ayan. Parang iguana? Hindi eh. He's eating worms, oh. Oo, yum.
Saan? I think they're resting over there, oh. They're the ones with brown. Ayun. Nasaan?
Yan ako sa kanila. Parang iguana nga. Okay, let's go na. Yan ako.
Mommy, I think this is not a platypus. It's a dragon. It's a long lizard.
Please do watch our other Australia playlist. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting vlogs.